this topology, the Calabi-Yau manifold, which
my hair is hurting. My hair is hurting. Thanks you for coming on and talking with
pleasure.
us. Have a good weekend. Amir
too,
Gsell is the author of the forthcoming book, A Strange Wilderness, The Lives of the Great Mathematicians and Being a Star Writer myself. I can't wait to read this one. He's also a research fellow at the of the History of Science. Stay with us. We're going to take a break.
Listening to KUHF NPR from Houston. It is 2:19. Iowa Photo and Science Friday continuing in a moment. Right now, traffic with John Cole.
Checking the traffic, looks like on I-35 the Pierce elevated in the southbound lanes. This is near I-10, actually before the Pierce elevated, near there's an accident there. This is at Milam in Texas. That's the traffic. I'm John Kelly.
Houston Arts Partners and KUHF Arts Education Conference.